With the release of 2604, we are continuing the process of moving design functions to the web. You can now check in and out from EDM Collaborate. To do so, navigate to the board you wish to check out. Then select Checkout on the menu bar above the board information panel. You can choose to check out with either Xpedition Layout or FabLink. This will use the EDM web launcher. Select Open on the pop-up. Once we make our changes, we can save and close our application, then return to the web. From here, we can check the board back into EDM. Select the newest version, then select Check-in from the menu bar above the board information panel.